Are you looking at yourself? Yes, you are. You're looking at yourself. Are you gonna say hello to yourself? No? Who's that? Oh, big chubby cheeks. You're not gonna smile for the camera. You're gonna smile. Smile. Come on. Hey? Hey? You're a good boy. And we just got you changed, ready for bed. With this cute outfit, you can see. Can you see? Let's see. Hold on. Look at them toes and their little ears. Yes. So cute. So we didn't get anything done today. But where are we going tomorrow? You're gonna tell them. Yeah, we're gonna go to the Railway Museum. But it hasn't been a very productive day, so we're gonna have some time together. He didn't sleep very well last night, but he went with his Moses basket in his cot for the first time. So I think he was a bit confused. You dancing?
I do dancing.
Yeah, you do. You were giving us a beauty wiggle. He's happy. Looking about. Hopefully he's gonna sleep a bit better tonight. Did you want to go find him a bedtime story? And I'll read to him. Daddy being silly with you. What's that little man doing? Is he in your car seat? Yeah, he is. They like your bed and your car seat and just everything that's yours they want. What are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to roll over? You gonna sit back up? Sit back up. There we go. So, shall we tell them what we're reading? What's Daddy brought down for us? Yeah, Daddy's favourite film. So, let's get this cover off. Right. And to his surprise, he saw weird little creatures in strange disguise. Were you trying to eat my hand? They were altogether ugly and rather petite, you were trying to eat me. And there's the one word coming up that I really cannot pronounce, or I don't know what it is. Let's not film that bit. So this is how story time goes. Alright, are we gonna all sit together? Family time? Yeah. Jack said, "Zero, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" and to be so needed was Zero's great dream. So he joyously flew to the head of the team, and as the skeletal sleigh started its ghostly flight, Jack cackled, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Oh, you talking? Are you trying to read it? Yeah. Right. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house. No, you could. Oh, bless you. I have wanted him to sneeze on camera for the last 3 months. I am so happy right now. Oh, that's so cute. You got the cutest little sneeze, and I finally got it on camera. Yes, I did. Mummy's really happy now. Let's start again. 'Twas the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. Jack urged Zero to go higher and higher, and away they all flew like the storm of a thistle, until they were hit by a well-guided missile. And as they fell on the cemetery way out of sight, was heard, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." So that was The Nightmare Before Christmas by Tim Burton. Mummy got that on honeymoon. She bought it for Daddy in Disney, Florida. Yeah, can't wait to take you there. He has the sensor. Like, every time we sit down to eat, this little guy cries. And we have to take it in turns to eat. So, yeah, let's see how this goes. So far, so good. So, let's see, where's his book gone? Give him a teething toy. He seems quite chilled. I don't know where his crinkly book's gone. I'm sure he'll be fine with them. Ah, yeah, he's picking it up now. He is so angry because he can't latch onto that teddy bear's arm. And then he gets frustrated. He was happy for quite a while though. There you go. You never know, Daddy might come and play with you now that he's probably finished his food. Oh, look who's coming. You can maybe just play with him while he's in here. Look how happy you are. Is that Daddy? Yeah. Look at the smile on his face now. Hi, little man. You chilling? Yay, there we go. Oh, big fluffy cat. Oh, hello, thank you. That was nice. High five. Bless him. He just had his first birthday. We actually rescued him last year on the 15th of October. He's a Moggy. We don't really know what he is. He kind of looks like a Maine Coon. We did used to have a Maine Coon. And now we're going to take pictures for his memory card thing. What are they called? Baby cards? Milestone cards. We're a few days late, but still 12 weeks. So Daddy's gonna take some pictures.
Ba. Ba. Ba.
Somebody's falling asleep.
Jonathan Wickett and I met to discuss where the bar tops were actually going to be. That's concrete? Yeah. Look at that sample. And they almost look like marble. Jonathan is going to create 2 rounded bar tops to go around 2 of the columns and a custom swim